right, so for the first 3 problems, what you're going to do is you're going to solve them however you want to solve them. You can use counters, manipulatives in your brain. So I know 6 take away 3. Well, I know 3 and 3 is a doubles fact. So that means that 3 and 3 is 6. So 6 minus 3 must be 3. I know 12 minus 10. Okay, well, I know if I'm taking away a group of 10, I'm left with 2 leftover ones. And 5 plus 5, I know that's a doubles fact. 5 and 5 is 10. What is the name of the shape below? Well, I see right here I have a rectangle and I have some triangles. So I know this is a triangular prism. And an attribute of a triangular prism is it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. There are more answers than this. You don't have to just do 6 vertices. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, or sorry, 5 faces. You can do 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 sides. Any of these would have been acceptable answers. Or 6. 3 and 3 is 6, 7, 8. Identify the coin and its value. Okay, well, I see this says 5 cents. I know 5 cents is a nickel, and I'm going to see that 5 cents right there. So I know this is my correct answer. Read the question and identify the important information. Then write a number sentence. Jenny had 7 books. She read 2 books. How many more books does Jenny need to read? Okay, well, we know Jenny has a total of 7 books. She read only 2 of her books, so my change is she's read 2, so I know it's 7 minus 2, and I'm looking for this unknown. So I've read the question, identified the important information. I know she had 7. I know she's reading 2. That's my change, and we're looking for this right here. So I'm going to have my 7 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to represent it like this because then I can see it as if it was in a 10 frame. And I see she's read 2. And that shows me there's 5 left over. Which object would it take less of to measure the height of the lamp? A penny or a glue stick? Okay, well, I know the glue stick is larger than the penny, so the answer would be glue stick. Jenny measured her desk with paper clips. Which would she use more? Would she use more big paper clips or small paper clips, and why? So I know if she's measuring her desk, she's going to use more small paper clips because it takes more small paper clips to equal 1 big paper clip. Which of these units below would use less to measure the length of a pencil? So I'm looking for which one is a smaller unit. The star would take more, the paper clip would take less. So I'm going to want the paper clip because I'm going to need less paper clips to equal the pencil. Measure the length of your Astro's homework with 2 different objects. Make sure the objects are not the same length. Write down the names of the object used to measure. Record how many times it took to measure the length. So I would say, okay, I got a bucket and it's taken 1, 2, about 2 times. And then I've got this little cup, and it's taking 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 times. 3 1/2. Your answers will vary depending on what you use to measure.